With the Telangana crisis snowballing with each passing day, there is no end in sight for the turmoil that the entire state of Andhra Pradesh is embroiled in. With basic services like power, schools, mobile services, internet, ATMs and petrol pumps severely hit, it's the common man who is paying the heavy price for the power play in political corridors.
With the political slugfest over the bifurcation of the state intensifying, 5 days into his fast, Jagan Mohan Reddy shifted to a hospital late into the night in a crackdown by the AP government. But normal life across the state remains severely affected.
Protest by Andhra Pradesh Electricity Board employees has definitely put the state in darkness. What it has also done is bring to halt all industries that are dependent on electricity. Thousands of labourers, hundreds of mill owners are right now facing a dark future.
Not just in Seemandhra, the power crisis hitting Hyderabad as well, while curfew continues in Vijayanagaram.
बाजार में खरीदने जाती हूँ तो महंगे चीज़ें इतनी महंगे हो जाते हैं और जैसे ही जाते हैं सब्जी सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है। एटीएम में जाओ, बैंक में पैसे खत्म हो जाते हैं, एटीएम में पैसे खत्म हो जाता है, तो वो भी दिक्कत हो गई है। दुकानें कोई भी खुले नहीं है, तो घर में कुछ भी नहीं बना सकती। बच्चे घर पे ही है, अभी स्कूल्स नहीं है, कॉलेजेस नहीं है।
I'm preparing for my medical and right now we are facing many problems. We cannot step out. I cannot go for my tutorials and all. There is no power. Mornings it's so hot over here, and at night I'm forced to study in the candlelight. So
The Aam Aadmi in Seemandhra being deprived of even medicines and basic commodities.
इस उम्र में हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम तो होते ही है, लेकिन करंट के बिना थायराइड और बीपी और भी बढ़ जाता है, घबराहट भी हो रही है। बाहर जाओ तो मेडिसिन नहीं मिलती है कर्फ्यू के कारण से भी। फिर भी वो लिफ्ट नहीं होने करंट के बिना घुटनों को भी चढ़ना उतरना तकलीफ हो जाता है।
Over the past 2 months, at least 40 days have been lost to bunds and protests, crippling the economy in Seemandhra.
For the last almost 45 days, 50% of the days are totally band actually, continuously band actually. More than 5,000 crore worth of revenue lost by the government for the last 45 days for the entire coast Andhra. In put together all taxes combined actually.
Meanwhile, the centre has suggested invoking the Essential Services Maintenance Act to save the situation from getting worse.
The party wants the government to take strong action to bring life to normalcy, if necessary by resorting to Essential Service Maintenance Act, to deal with the power crisis which continues to spread havoc across 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh.
While Jagan's fast may have ended, normal life in Andhra Pradesh remains crippled, as the protests against the bifurcation of the state showed no signs of relenting. Bureau Report, Times Now.